Hey everyone, Anna Brandt here. I wanted to show you what we're working on behind the scenes. We have a new learning experience for you, Anna Brandt Online. Anna Brandt Online is going to have over 500 videos and more, and it'll be our home to include everything. Right now, we kind of have things all over the place. We have Belly Baby School. This will stay here. This is where you can buy courses online individually at any time. This is going to stay, but what is not going to stay is the membership. We've had a premium membership here annually, and that membership is going to be going away. We do have this 50% off, so you can buy the membership right now. You can buy courses, but this will be going away. By the end of Mother's Day, May 10th, when you come to bellybabyschool.com, you'll only be able to buy courses. You won't be able to buy a membership. Now, what do you do if you have an existing membership? You can use it. The memberships here were only annual. You can continue to use it for the year, but there'll be no more memberships here. That way, there's less confusion because we do have a member site called members.annabrandt.com, and in here, we also have a membership. This has been a little bit different, this site. And I'll show you a little bit about this site. But we have an annual membership and a lifetime membership. Right now, you can use code SAVEME and save 50% off of lifetime or annual membership at members.annabrandt.com. Now, what's important to understand is you can buy a membership here, members.annabrandt.com. The membership here gives you discount to our store, bellybabywear.com. There's also downloads, a members forum, live workshops, monthly challenges we have every other month, members only podcasts, downloads, tutorials, webinars, and all slew of other things. All of this content will be going to our new site at annabrandtonline.com. All of it. Okay, all of the content from members.annabrandt.com will be coming to our main hub, annabrandtonline.com. If you're a lifetime member, you'll have forever access to this. However, the lifetime membership will also be going away. After Mother's Day, May 10th, we won't be having a lifetime membership anywhere. We will only have monthly or annual. So if you click on here, there's a monthly membership and there's an annual membership. You can also become a vendor where you market to our students. Whether you do retouching, editing, have a clothing line, props, you'll be able to be one of our ultimate vendors. You can either just be a vendor or you can be a vendor and a member. Now, this will be our main hub going forward. All new content from here on out is going to annabrandtonline.com. Now, does that mean I won't be creating courses? Of course. We'll still create courses at bellybabyschool.com because we do have a large number of people who like to just purchase courses as they need them and not be a member of anything. If that's you, you really don't have to do anything. Just watch for sales from time to time, like our 50% off that allows you to buy any course that's Learn on Demand and log in and learn. Now, in this site, we have over 750 videos. About 500 of them will be moving to our new home at annabrandtonline.com. What's not moving? Things like our Belly Baby Summit will not be moving, as well as anytime we had guest teachers will not be moving. The Belly Baby Summit, which is our free summit that streams worldwide, is coming back Father's Day. We gave it a new home, so there's less confusion, and you can register for free. Our old in-person event, Belly, Baby, and Beyond, is no longer. That has been retired. We will be doing events in 2022 in person. We'll be doing California in the spring and New York City in the fall. For all information for events and to be a speaker, you could go to thebellybabysummit.com. These classes and information that have been provided by other teachers will not be going on annabrandtonline.com. Okay, and keep in mind, I will link all of this to make it clearer. Believe it or not, it will become easier after Mother's Day because you'll only need to go to one place. Again, if you want to just buy one course or two or three, you can come here. We're going to keep this code up through Mother's Day, May 10th, that you can save 70% off any course. Or if you do want to buy the membership here and get every single course, you have through the end of day to be able to end of day on Mother's Day to do that, okay, using the 50% off code. After Mother's Day, starting May 11th, we will only be updating content of new classes here. And if you're an existing premium member, obviously you'll be able to get that information. You just will not be able to be a member here. Okay, so if you say, Anna, okay, I'm completely lost and confused. I get it. Our members site has always confused people because it's a membership site that gives discount to our ultimate vendors, discount to our Belly Baby Wear store, discussion forum. It's different than Belly Baby School, which is a class-based format, which is like Creative Live and Udemy and any other place where you buy courses. This is a membership site. This site, after May 10th, you will not be able to buy any type of membership, whether it's annual, lifetime. You won't be able to buy any type of membership on this site. You'll only be able to buy it on AnnaBrandOnline.com. Now, if you're a member of this site, don't worry. You're going to be receiving an email to log into the new site at AnnaBrandOnline.com over the next couple of days. Keep in mind, we have over 500 videos to populate here, so we will be able to let you in and you'll see new content every single day. If you're a brand new member and you're not a membership of anything, you can simply join us in the new platform and you don't have to worry about any of the other sites or anything else. Lastly, all of our courses on AnnaBrandLive.com will also be moved to our new home at AnnaBrandOnline.com. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me at Anna@AnnaBrandOnline.com, and we look forward to all kinds of amazing good things to come.